Hi, I'm Greg Fraley. I'm the facilitator and inventor of something called the Creative Flow Challenge, which is an 18-day virtual workshop that you can take to make yourself more creatively effective. People ask me, is it even possible to become more creative, more than you're innately gifted with? And I say, yes, it absolutely is possible. But you have to understand what creativity is, what it isn't. You have to throw away some myths, and you have to embrace some tools in order to become more creatively effective. So, what is it beyond an inspiration, which is what everybody thinks it is? Beyond an inspiration, it's a choice. It's a deliberate choice you have to make. Yes, it's a divine gift. It's a beautiful thing. It is an art. It is a craft. It is about flow. And it's all a step towards innovation and invention. So this isn't just for touchy-feely artistic types. So creativity, and this is the key part of the Creative Flow Challenge, is realized by a daily practice of your creative thing, be it writing, photography, some sort of art, or corporate work. That has to be done daily and in a very focused way, and it has to be inside of a project. So, a complete unit, a complete thing that can be presented to the world. So, if you think practice and you think projects and you do that daily, you're going to become more creatively effective. Join the Creative Flow Challenge and you'll learn about how this is done and get it all started for yourself. So, please join us. Thank you. Bye.